Right, for this video we are going to start with linear programming. Linear programming involves linear graphs including inequations. So first let's start the lesson with how to enter equations on Geogebra. For this video you need Geogebra software loaded on your device, and when you get a screen something like this, now at the bottom of the screen where it says input is where you are going to enter the equation that you'd like the Geogebra to perform a linear equation. As usual, we know that linear equation has y equals mx plus c. So let's start with y equals, let's put something as m or gradient 2 x, and then put y-intercept as 4, and you press enter, your line will appear. And that's how it looks like. Now the tabs on top are very helpful. You will notice as I go, and I will explain them if I need to. Now this one, this first one, helps you to move. If it is switched off, you will not be able to do anything, but when it's switched on, you could move, drag the graph right around. You can reduce it or enlarge it, zoom in and zoom out depending on your need. At this stage, it's all the gradients are, all the graduation are defaulted. If your line increases or changes, it will automatically change to the need. Right, let's put an inequation in the line or graph. So for inequation, let's again put example y is, let's say, is less than, maybe we can have just x plus 1. Now you notice when we use the inequality without equal to, you will notice there's a broken line. Now we understand y is all less than, because our equation says y is less than x plus 1, so it covers everything that is possibly going to give you an answer that will add up for y less than the other side of the equal sign. Now let's see how different it is when we put equal to or less than or greater than equal to. Let's again have y equals, let's put a higher gradient for x, maybe plus 2, have a, sorry, I said less than equal to, okay, let's make it greater than equal to. Now you notice the signs. Now can you notice there's a broken line now? A broken line when you have equal to, it's a one whole straight line. If you want to change the colors, you need to click on the equation, right click, and object properties will give you a menu of something appearing like this. Preferences, I'm just going to change the color so you can have a different set of color for the graphs, so this will differentiate what you're doing. So this is first lesson, how to put equations on your Geogebra. One other thing please keep in mind when we putting inequalities. I'll show you an example where it will not be able to perform a equation. It will give you a error kind of message. Example, if I have y, now if I put an equal to first and then put less than maybe 5, it gives you an error message, invalid input, because you have put an equal sign before the inequality. If I had changed it, and I'm going to have to press OK, and I change this, I put the equal sign after the inequality to make it less than equal to, and it performs the graph. So be careful when you inputting any of those signs. We will continue with this in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do practice.